After you provision the HPE OpsRamp service to your workspace and activated the subscription key, you must grant the built-in OpsRamp access role to desired HPE GreenLake users in your workspace to give them permission to access and run OpsRamp. In the home page of your workspace, select Manage Workspace from the quick links. Click the Workspace Identity and Access tile, and then the Users tile. Select the desired users. In our case, we will select our famous John Doe and select Assign Role. Select the OpsRamp service from the drop-down list. And select the role you want to assign. There's only one in our case, it's the OpsRamp access. Do not select the limit resource access and select to assign role. You can review the change you're about to make to the John Doe user. And if everything's okay, you can click Change Role Assignment. You can always review one user role assignment by using the View Details button. And you can see in our case that John Doe indeed has access to OpsRamp. In our next video, we will launch the OpsRamp service from the console and start using our OpsRamp service.